Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's edition of Vendasta's product webinars. I'm here with Janessa.
Hi, everyone.
And my name is Amy. As usual, we're walking you through what we know best, which is Marketplace. Now, as you know, Marketplace hosts the best of breed products that you can sell to your business clients, and each product is a great way for you to grow your revenue. Marketplace lives right in Partner Center, as I hope you all know. And if this doesn't look familiar to you, please let us know or reach out to your Partner Success Manager. But Marketplace is right there in Partner Center. Like we mentioned, each product is a new revenue stream. And today we're talking about a specific category. Now, this is the local marketing stack. This is what we and other industry leaders have identified that every business needs. It used to be things like television ads and radio and things that still work today, but a digital counterpart is really needed. So the first step that a business needs to take to be able to be found, to be able to be online, is to make sure that they have a website. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today. Now, like I mentioned, there's a ton of different categories here, and all our Marketplace products are categorized by each of these categories. And today, like we said, we're focusing on website. Janessa, walk us through this.
So first off with website, we really just want to stress that consumers expect websites to be, mobile optimized, fast, and informative, as well as they expect all businesses to have a website. Let's start there even. So it's really important to help your clients not only build a website, but build one that's mobile friendly, that provides, instant access to that information that people are searching for or looking for, like phone number, address, hours of operation, as well as direct links to your social media pages. So, you want to have that website, but also have a way for them to connect with you. At Vendasta, we do have a variety of different website solutions to meet the needs of any of your clients. So, if you're looking for hosting, we've got a really great Website Pro product. It was officially released, I believe it was last week.
Yeah.
So if you don't know about that, go take a look at the Product Insider or last week's webinar. And what it is, it's hosting of WordPress sites using the Google Cloud platform. We can even help you build and manage these WordPress sites using our website creation service. So again, this is if you want to build those really great websites, but you don't have the team, utilize our team. We are here for that. And as well, there's a low-cost templated solution with Website Builder for your more price-sensitive clients looking for a basic site, as well as if you do have any do-it-yourself clients that maybe, want to do it themselves, want to get their hands in there, but don't have the technical knowledge. As well as our marketplace also features world-class public plugins and extensions for any existing website. So everything from appointment scheduling to live chat to visual visitor. There's a lot of great apps in there that you can use to enhance your current solutions. So where do you start? Before you really even get into, let's add this to a website or let's add this to a website, you've got to start with building out the website. So for us, you can start with Website Pro. So again, this is if you're using WordPress. So if you're currently using WordPress or you want to start using WordPress, you can use Website Pro for you. Something that we really want to make sure everyone on the line knows is the Website Pro is really for you to be building the websites for your clients. You're not going to find a lot of business owners out there that know how to use WordPress. So it's really not going to be a do-it-yourself for them, but it's definitely something, if you've got the team, if you've got the technical knowledge, utilize it. We've got the great hosting and Google Cloud platform behind it to use that. We also have the Website Builder, and this is available for you to build those quick sites. It allows you or your client, so a great one to kind of differentiate between the two. This is a great one for your client to easily create sites, and they've got that great drag and drop builder right there. And then finally, We do it all for you. We've got our digital agency building the entire sites for you. They're using WordPress. They're using that great Website Pro hosting, and we're taking it completely out of your hands. So before we get really into it, how many of you know what this is? I hope everyone on the line knows what this is, because if you don't, you maybe should go back to your childhood and ask your parents. But if you don't, this is Lego. How many people have played with Lego?
And stepped on their kids' Lego.
Stepped on their kids' Lego. Yeah, definitely. And when you did play with Lego, what kind of Lego creator were you? Were you the give me a pile of Lego and I am going to build a mansion, or were you the I want the kit, I want to build it exactly how it is, I want to put the stickers on it, I want to build Moana's little house? And saying it on the line, I just built one of the Moana houses. I do like the kit. I'm a fan of the kit. But the reason we really wanted to show the Lego is to help you kind of differentiate between those three website products. So Website Builder is like a Lego kit. You know what you're going to get with each package. All the pieces are there, and there's clear instructions. So just about anybody with maybe a little patience could successfully build out that really pretty Lego house or Moana's house, or anything that comes with it. On the other hand, there's Website Pro. So with Website Pro, there's huge potential. You've got your whole big bucket of Lego. The sky's the limit. You can build whatever you want, but you probably want to know how to use the Lego. How do the pieces go together? Maybe there's a Lego master there to help you out. So really just showing you that you can build exactly what they give you, it's got the builder there, or you can take those pieces if you've got the expertise and build something really complex. As well as where our digital agency fits in, we've got some really great Lego masters here to help you out.
So let's get started with more details about Website Pro. Website hosting, as many of you know, is often challenging. Setup can be technical and time-consuming. And then once the site is up and running, it can be difficult to scale as more website clients are added. So Website Pro provides that familiar content management system with the Vendasta advantage. And that advantage is it's sticky because it's in Business Center. There's no more separate WordPress logins. And a bunch of our marketplace products plug right into that website. Now, setting up the new website is easy. There's a one-click WordPress wizard. All you have to do is enter the business's name and domain and then click continue. That's pretty much it. You'll see a short loading animation when the site is getting set up, and once it's ready to go, you'll be taken to the Website Pro dashboard where you can start building the site. The dashboard is where you go to access Website Pro via Business Center, to get one-click access into WordPress. Like we said, no separate logins. The really cool thing here is that there's daily backups and one-click restores at any time. And then our support team is also available with any issues that a simple restore won't fix. And you can see live reporting that uses Google Analytics. So with Website Pro, what you're really getting is world-class hosting, and it features then it includes features that other hosting providers charge extra for. The Website Pro is only $12. So like Janessa went through, and I love that Lego example, we used it with our teams and with some of our partners quite frequently to describe, the differences. Website Pro is all about hosting, and then you do your own building in WordPress. So now let's talk about Website Builder.
Absolutely. So Website Builder, it's just what it sounds like. An easy to use website creation platform with drag and drop functions and a variety of responsive templates. There are 4 packages to choose from depending on what your client needs. To start with, there's the basic package, which allows you or the business owner, will stress that this is easy enough for the business owner to use to easily create a site with 5 pages. Hosting is included, and of course, all of the Website Builder offerings are responsive. This one is just $7.99 per month, and that's your wholesale cost. So again, really great way to get your client in the door, get them with a website for low cost, and then, it's that sticky product to keep them or to upsell them into something else. For $14.99, the enhanced offering allows for a site with unlimited pages and a catalog of 100 items. So this could be a list of products, services, menu items with everything like an image, title, description, and much more. What differentiates the next one, the premium website builder, from both the basic and the enhanced, is that it has an integrated blog. So by posting interesting, informative content, a business creates the opportunity for readers to engage, hello leads, and the monthly price for that is $16.99. We're going to be getting into it, but another great way that you can add something to this is with the managed blog service. So, if they want to start a blog, you can get them set up with their website, as well as get them some blogs to start out with. And finally, the ultimate package. If you have clients who need a catalog of 500 items, a blog for 500 posts, extensive e-commerce capabilities, and an integrated Facebook page, this is the package for you. And the best part, all of this is available through a library of templates and an incredibly easy to use drag and drop functionality.
I can't stress the easy part here. Janessa and I built a few sites actually on our own before we trained our teams on this product and before this webinar even. And it was fairly simple. We built the e-commerce portfolio. We added products, we added pricing. So safe to say that if we can do it, almost anyone can do it.
Absolutely. If me and Amy can do it with no help from our dev team, which we often bother them, anybody on the line, as well as any of your clients, should be able to use this.
So think of it like this, back to that Lego example. The basic is like that little motorcycle, that little scooter you see there. 5 pieces, you follow the instructions, you're good to go. Enhanced, a little bit bigger. Premium, clearly more complex. And ultimate is that, that 1,000-piece Lego set. Keep in mind that all along the way here with everything in Website Builder, you just get those pieces. So exactly what you want to do is what's available there. There isn't the option to do to go really crazy like with WordPress. There isn't a lot of developer access. It's all drag and drop.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and I think that's Amy hit it right on the nail there. Is these are going to be more of your templated. You're going to get the ultimate, and you're being able to build that Millennium Falcon. You're not going to get the ultimate and go and build the Taj Mahal. You've got that set package, that set template of what it's going to be. And then really getting into, we've got website creation for you guys too. As some of you already know, and the ones that don't, at Vendasta, we are experts at digital fulfillment, and we can execute all of this work for you. We've got a team that does this on a day-to-day basis, and this allows you to focus on the most important aspect to any company, which is those sales. So let's talk about those different options. Our agents can build anything from a basic landing page all the way up to a 10-page site with e-commerce integration. Everything is developed using WordPress and is hosted using our lightning fast Website Pro app. So your clients will always receive a premium service. Our landing page consists of a one-page template with no navigation. So we include things like meta keywords, social media links, and embed Google Maps so the page is easy to find online. Our agents, so our team here, will also provide unlimited tech support, which includes 1 free photo and 1 free text change per month. So, something really great, if you do want to offer websites, but you just don't have the bandwidth or your team doesn't have the bandwidth, we have the team here, and they've got the support to help you. The next step up is our basic offering. It includes a search engine friendly themed website with the meta keywords, and SEO friendly URL structure, copywriting and content, which is really big, and as well as an XML sitemap. Our unlimited monthly tech support, but with this one, it includes 15 photos and image uploads, as well as unlimited text changes. So really just from going to that landing page to the basic offering, you're already getting a lot of really great enhancements. I'm just going to keep stepping up. Next up is the 5-page site, which has all the same features as the previous basic one, but also includes enhanced tech support with 25 images and product changes every month. And finally, the big one, the 10-page site option, which includes that full e-commerce integration with PayPal. So this one's really perfect for any of your clients looking to start selling their products or their services online. So how does this work exactly? Well, you submit your order through the marketplace, through Partner Center, and there'll be a quick consultation call. This happens within 3 to 5 business days. In 15 business days, you'll receive the first mock of the site. So this is based on the information provided during that consultation call. Once that mock is approved, we'll build out the interior pages and populate them with industry-specific content. Then, within 20 to 25 business days, your client will see their new website published on the web. And then finally, your client is now live and on the World Wide Web. So, this is just a quick how it works. If you want more details or more step-by-step directions, definitely take a look at those product pages in Marketplace or talk to your partner success manager.
All right, so what's next? We've gone through the 3 different options for building the website, the very first step that your clients need. But you've either now built the client a site or your client already has a site. There's still a lot that you can offer them, especially through Marketplace. And we're going to go through almost all those products right now. First up is Chatbot. Very simply, it's a website widget that takes website conversations and transforms them into texting conversations. Why? The traditional method of contact phone calls just isn't working, with 78% of callers being put on hold, tons of callers hanging up in frustration, and many not staying on the line. Businesses need a better method of communication. The chatbot is incredibly easy to install with a simple copy and paste of just 1 line of HTML code. You can reply to customer texts from anywhere. So they can be responded through the dashboard, a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. And if you need to, you can quickly transition from text to a phone call. Now, Chatbot Starter offers a dedicated phone number with 500 text messages for $30. If your suite of offerings includes websites or you're thinking of offering a website service, this is the perfect way to introduce a product that provides monthly recurring revenue. Now, there's also a Pro, which includes 1,500 text messages per month, and that's $60. Janessa, do you want to add something?
Yeah, and what I would say is, there's a lot of really great demo chatbots currently in the marketplace. So if you're, maybe not sure about this or you want to see a demo, go check it out. Go take a look at that product page in Marketplace and you can have that firsthand experience. You can use it for yourself and for your team, as well as you can give it to your clients for them to try out. I think chatbots, they are still fairly new, and a lot of people haven't heard about them, but anybody working in the service industry, it's a really great way for them to get more time, as well as, it's probably something they're going to want to start looking at the more and more chatbots are coming up.
Mm-hmm.
Next up is Visual Visitor. So to think about Visual Visitor, let's be honest. When you visit a website, and let's say, you come to a website, you likely won't be taking the time to fill out your information, right? And, I can attest to this. I go to a lot of websites. I hardly ever fill out that form. In fact, only 2% of visitors actually bother filling in any kind of form, even when it is on the website. So that's where Visual Visitor comes in. Thankfully, Visual Visitor works like a caller ID system used for your website, using ISPs to identify potential customers among those who visit your website. So with this, you can easily find qualified leads within just a few minutes of installation, and I really can attest to within a few minutes, We set this up not only on the Vendasta site, as well as we have set it up on quite a few sites for our partners. They just asked for our help or, wanted step-by-step help with that. And they were getting leads within minutes. So it's a really quick process to start getting really great qualified leads that you were missing before. And then before you know it, your sales force will have more leads than they know what to do with. And really, for anybody on the line, anybody that has a website, any of our agencies or media companies, are you really going to turn away having more leads? I hope everyone on this line would say that they do want more leads. So with this product, you can determine exactly who is visiting your website, what they might be interested in, the length of the time they're searching your site, and even their contact information. So for only $35 a month, Visual Visitor is almost handing you leads on a silver platter that you can utilize to increase return on investment for both yourself and your customers. We're all looking for ways to get more leads, and this product can help you do that.
So the one thing I really want to add here is Visual Visitor is great for businesses, great for SMBs, but it's also great for you guys. It's great for partners. And that's where we've really seen a lot of success here, that if you as an agency are using this product, you can probably sell it a whole lot better. You can probably explain the ins and outs and how it's helped you when you're going out and selling it to your clients. So this is one of our I don't want to say few, but one of our marketplace products that a lot of partners are seeing success with.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's talk about appointment scheduling. The next three products that Janessa and I are going to go through are by a vendor called Agendize. Now, we're going to go through these fairly quickly because Agendize is going to be here with us next week on our webinar, and we'll be diving really deep into all their products then. But let's start with appointment scheduling. So again, it's just what it sounds like. It empowers your clients to let their customers book appointments online with real-time availabilities and automated reminders. Now, this is a crazy stat, but SMBs can get up to 40% more bookings using appointment scheduling. So it's a simple but extremely valuable feature, and it's easy to use. Just like Janessa talked about embedding Visual Visitor, this is very similar. It can be added to your client's website, a button on their Facebook page, a link to their email signature, a scannable QR code, or even within an email campaign. And depending on the nature of the appointment, the scheduling option can vary and have as much or as little detail as needed. And there's also a payment option available with this product. So once the appointment is booked, your client can easily set up automated confirmation emails or reminder text messages. These can be customized for exact time, frequency, and message. And once the appointment is complete, a follow-up email can go out. So a simple thank you, or review request, or even booking in the next appointment. Now, one thing that's really cool about this is the payment option. Yeah. And Janessa, I know there's an example we had with a law firm, I believe.
Actually, we've got one. One of our in-house receptionists is also a photographer. So she set this up for her business and set it up to have, oh my God, I can't think, but a payment initial fee.
Like a retainer.
Yeah, like a retainer. So they had to pay to book the appointment with her. She was getting a lot of people reaching out and wanting to set up times, but it came to the date, they would either cancel or there was no shows. So what she did is she was able to set this up, have them pay that initial sitting fee. There we go. Sitting fee is what she called it. So they were already paid. They were confirmed all in that one step, and they're more likely to then come to the appointment.
That's awesome. Now, the appointment scheduling offer through Agendize and Marketplace is $15 per month. This is a customizable scheduling widget for, like we said, websites, Facebook, email, and more. And it includes a really lightweight CRM, which tracks engagement histories. Also, it's available in 8 languages.
That's awesome. And like Amy said, we'll be going in more in depth with this next week. So if you are interested, definitely come back next week. I'd also like, I bring this up quite a bit, especially with appointment scheduling. We get a lot of questions about, okay, well, what industries is good for? What kind of businesses is good for? And really think about it. When you go to book an appointment, whether it's for your hair, whether it's for your car, whether it's for a massage, how many times do you phone or how many times do you go to their website and book online anymore? So, when you're going out to a business, really bring that up, because maybe they're not offering an appointment scheduling on their website, but their competitor definitely is. And the next time, I'm going to get my hair cut and I forget about it because I'm busy all day and I remember at 10 o'clock at night, I'm not calling them. I'm going online and booking it through there. And next is live chat. So what live chat is, it's just what it sounds like. It is offered through Agendize, and the live chat widget allows customers to connect with businesses while they're on your website. It's incredibly easy to use, and everything is tracked and stored within a customer profile. Live chat truly offers a seamless experience for both customers as well as business owners. And it's only $5 a month. So even if your existing clients already have a website, this is the perfect add-on to provide them with. I don't know about you, but I would much rather quickly type in a question online than pick up my phone and waste countless minutes, if not more. And you know what? I think as we hear more and read more and more about different studies that are coming out in the industry, I'm the typical millennial, right? I don't want to phone anywhere. I want to make it easy. I would rather text. I would rather go book online. And you've got to make people realize that we do have this whole generation that is growing up and doesn't want to use the phone.
I can definitely attest to that. All right, Form Builder. This is the last of the Agendize products. So Form Builder allows your clients to create customized web forms. Create the form in an easy drag and drop interface, preview it in real time, and save the form if you want to continue working on it later. And forms aren't just for websites, although this is the big one. They're also great ways for businesses to collect data on their customers. You can use them for surveys, and they're, of course, great as CTAs on websites. Now, this is only $5 a month, just like live chat, and it really helps clients learn more about the prospects that are visiting their site, and that because these three products, Form Builder, live chat, and appointment scheduling are all by Agendize, in the CRM that they have and the dashboard they have is all linked. It's all one dashboard. So any lead, let's call it, that comes through Form Builder versus a lead or a customer that comes through appointment scheduling will live in the same dashboard. Right, Janessa?
Yeah, absolutely. So, if you're offering one of these services, why not offer all three? They'll have it in one central place. They'll be able to start seeing those customer profiles. So somebody that comes to chat and somebody that fills out the form, if they then book an appointment, you have all that information in one place, which is really powerful for a business to have.
Exactly. Now we're getting into Janessa's favorite.
Yeah, absolutely. If you are currently selling websites, if you're looking at selling websites, you'll want to look at SEO Network. So, the greatest way, I often talk about this, and you might have a really great talk track already because we know a lot of people are familiar with SEO, is if you're building a website, you're spending the money, you're taking the time, why are you not investing in SEO to make sure that that website can then be found? So, it's taking that next step and making sure that when someone is going out and looking, they can find that website that that you've built and you've got Rockin' and you've got the apps and you've made it really great for your clients. So what SEO Network does is it covers both on-site and off-site SEO and will improve your visibility to potential clients. But what is best of all is we handle and manage the work for you. So this means we write all the content. If you ever want to check in, we have transparent reporting to see the impact of the work that has been done. And I would really stress, take a look at the reporting. If you have any current clients on it, go look at the reporting. That's what's extremely powerful about this product. So we found many agencies face similar problems. The way that search engines rank website is by authority links. These links have to be relevant and come from legitimate sites. Content on your websites and keywords aid and drive your ranking. But SEO can be tricky and very time consuming. But if SEO work is not being done, it can be difficult to gain customers or maintain your competitive edge, resulting in money being left on the table, or worse, wasting money on a website. So again, really getting into that. Why are we building a website if we're not also focused on making sure that it gets found? However, using this service is much easier than it sounds. First, the keywords or phrases are chosen. And these keywords are going to be what consumers type into the Google search bar when looking for a specific product or service. So again, we've got our team that's here to help you out if you want, consultation on those keywords, but you're going to want to go very basic. If you have a cupcake shop and you're working with them, of course they're going to want to put cupcakes as one of their keywords. You're not going to want to go super intense and go red velvet cupcakes with vanilla icing with also this. You're really going to want to keep it specific or not so specific and keep it to what people are actually going on and searching on Google. The network gets to work creating content relevant to those keywords that will help your business appear higher in search. This content is added to new or existing website pages and coded for those keywords, which, if you don't know, this is on-site SEO. Then backlinks and interlinking are created and interlinking with industry-related business pages, which is that off-site SEO. And then the best part of the product, which you can see a little bit of it here, is the reporting. So there are many SEO services out there, but they're what the industry experts refer to as smoke and mirrors. So what that means is there's no way to track the work that's being done, the improvements. Really, there's no way to track anything. The reporting you see here is simple and easy to understand. The search for custom LED now has this store appearing 6th, which is an increase of 994 spots. So a business can see that right there.
And I want to add, so you see that the 6 is in blue and underlined. When you have access to this report and access to the dashboard, the product is purchased, of course, that is clickable. So you can click on that number 6 and it will take you to Google, and you can see how custom, when you search for custom LED assemblies, that business is 6th on that page. Right, Janessa?
Absolutely. And again, that's what the transparency of this product is really what's going to set it apart. Just looking at a couple other businesses, the difference of before and after is really remarkable. We do have a lot of these great demo sites available for the SEO network. So if you want some of these demo ones to take out with you as you're going into your market, or for your sales teams to use as they're going to market, definitely reach out to your partner success manager. We can give you that demo access to the dashboard so you can really show someone the live examples. But, again, what it is it's getting them ranked higher so people can find their website. So for this product, it does start at $225 per month, and that's for the 5 keywords and goes up from there. What SEO does is it's helped our partners who create one-off websites generate monthly revenue. It is one of our most popular offerings, and it is being sold at double the wholesale cost or even more depending on your market as well as your customers. So that's where, you're going to know your market, you're going to know the industries you work for, you're going to know your customers and know what to price this as. We recommend at least doubling it, but we do see a lot of partners having it more than double.
Now the good stuff. Janessa is going to walk us through these 2 suggested packages that we've put together. One is the website update. So if your clients already have a website, sort of what are the add-ons that you can offer them and the pricing. And then one will be a website creation. Right, Janessa?
Yeah, absolutely. And again, this is really just for you guys to get those juices flowing. How can I use this? So the website update, what we're doing with this is we're taking some of those really great products like that SEO network. I would stress this: SEO network should be with any website package you're creating. And then throwing in some of those other great things, throwing in those agendized products like the appointment scheduling, the live chat, bringing in that visual visitor so they can see who's actually coming to their website, as well as, start adding some of those other products. Maybe this is where you can add in a listing solution. So, we've got them their website, we've got them their SEO, so it's coming up in organic. Why not also make sure that the website's showing up on their listing sites? That's where you can fit in a listing solution. And then depending on what they have or what they need, there are a lot of other great add-ons. We've got some videos you can add in there, as well as some blog content. And then again, you can also fit in digital advertising. If you're offering websites, why not offer some digital advertising again to get it found? And then that website creation. So it really is kind of the same step, but offering a website with it. So I think the biggest thing we want to stress here is when you are building your packages, when you are going out into your market, never just offer website as, a one thing. You want to add in those additional services, something like, putting in those 3 different agendized products, which is only at an additional $25 a month for you. But think about the extra stickiness that's going to add to your client and help you reduce the churn. So it's really just giving you that additional revenue stream where you can start giving your clients more value and bringing in more revenue for yourselves. So now we're going to take a little bit of a break and maybe drink some water after all that talking. But if you have any questions, definitely type them in now, and we'll come back in about 30 seconds and answer them. All right, so we are back. Just a few questions here. If you do have any more, type them in while we're going through these ones, and we will get back to you. The first one is just reiterating that, yes, Website Pro is WordPress only. So just making sure, everyone on the line, just want to make that, clear as mud there. There was a question about if all of this is available in digital agency. I think the thing to know there is our website creation is offered through our digital agency, Website Pro, as well as Website Builder are not digital agency products. So those are something you can go ahead and use even if you don't have access to our digital agency. And then as well as all of the apps we just talked about, those are all available in the marketplace, and you don't have to have access to our digital agency to use those. We have a quick question about the cost of hosting, as well as a little bit more about Google Cloud. So with Website Pro, the cost of hosting is included. It is $12 a month, and it is powered by the Google Cloud platform. If you want a little bit more information on exactly what that means, last week's webinar went completely in depth with Website Pro. It is up on our support site, or reach out to your partner success manager and they can help you out with that.
There's another question about hosting here. Hosting is not extra for different packages. It's included in the website builder cost, which has their own proprietary hosting platform. And of course, hosting is what Website Pro is all about. So it's included in the pricing that you will see in Marketplace.
And then just a quick question about materials and what's available to you. Everything, we have different materials available to you in the marketplace, in the products tab. So, we've got videos in some of them, we've got case studies in others. So a lot of really great materials in there to help you get started. And if you do have any more in-depth questions, definitely reach out to your partner success manager. We've got a lot of really great industry experts on our end, and we can help you through, maybe some of those more niche questions that come up. A quick question about visual visitor and worried about creeping clients out about how they gather their information. They do it a number of different ways, but it is all public knowledge what they're bringing in. So don't worry about, they're stalking you or anything like that. Everything is public knowledge that they're bringing in there. Perfect. So that looks like all of the questions. Again, if you have any more questions or you want to go in depth with any of the other products, reach out to your partner success manager, as well as we do have those additional webinars. Like Amy said, next week we'll be going more in depth with the three agendas ones, as well as check out our support site. We've got a lot of previous webinars going more in depth on those visual visitors and those SEOs. Again, it was Janessa and Amy, and thank you for being on with us.
Thanks, everyone. See you next week.